Welcome to this 10-minute body scan meditation. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable sitting position in a chair or on a cushion on the floor. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your thighs. Take a deep, long breath in and then release it, following the breath out. Take another deep breath in, and as you breathe out slowly, allowing your eyes to close. Allow your breathing to settle into a natural rhythm without feeling like you need to control the breath. Just allowing the breath to guide you instead of you guiding the breath. Bringing your awareness now to take in the whole of your body. Just getting a sense of how your whole body is feeling in this moment. Accepting anything that you notice with openness and curiosity without judging it. Just observing any sensations, feelings, thoughts or emotions without attachment. Sending your focus now down to your feet. Noticing how your feet feel against the floor. And just moving slowly up the legs now, from your feet to your ankles, calves, and knees. Notice the thighs now. Just letting whatever you notice come into your awareness. If you don't notice any particular sensation, that's fine too. The main thing is to simply be aware of our body in the present. Moving your awareness to your seat area and pelvis now. Noticing the weight of your body pushing down through your seat. Allowing your body to become more heavy. Now sending your awareness to your lower back. Noticing any tension or tightness there. And if you're aware of any, just allowing it to soften with each breath. Now moving up to your upper back. Being aware of your tall posture and noticing any sensations here. Now noticing your abdomen, sensing the gentler movement with the flow of the breath. And further up to your chest now, perhaps feeling the expansion and contraction as air flows slowly in and out of your chest. Knowing there is nothing to do but be right here. Bringing awareness to the shoulders and down the arms now, your hands and tips of your fingers. And now just noticing the back of the neck where it is common to carry some tension. Release any tension you notice here as you breathe naturally. Bringing your awareness to your face, your mouth, relaxing the jaw, the eyes, the forehead. Notice the scalp and any sensations here. There's no need to do anything. And expanding your attention now to include the whole of your body. Feel your whole body in your awareness, sitting quietly, relaxed and alive. Just noticing anything that comes into your awareness. Gently bringing your attention back to the space around you. With your eyes still closed, being aware of the room and any sounds. Slowly bringing movement back into your hands and feet. And when you're ready, opening your eyes. I invite you to bring the sense of peace and awareness into the rest of your day. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.